All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So Q, Q, and Q. So Q is a signal. Signal to do something. Wait for your cue to enter. This is my cue to go. Did you see the cue? Cue, distance. They need to wait for their cues before they go on stage. When you see his cue, then you need to act. Yeah. And queue. When people wait in a line for something. Yeah, like this, the queue. Yeah, they're all waiting for something. I just joined the queue. This is a long queue. Yeah, we've been waiting for a while in this queue. Yeah. That queue is too long for me. Yeah, I'm not waiting in a queue. Yeah, no way. Ugh, no thank you. They will wait in a queue. We have to wait in the queue. There are no other ways to get in. No other ways to get in. How can we skip the queue and go straight inside? Yeah. How? Yeah. But cue, the message, the signal from someone or something. Yeah. And queue, waiting for something. Waiting in a line. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.